today's learning goal is I can find unknown angles in a triangle by knowing the triangle sum theorem. So let's go ahead and get started. The triangle sum theorem, I think you guys may have learned this last year, is that the states that the sum of three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So interior angles are just the angles that are inside the triangle. So this is an interior angle, this is an interior angle, and this is an interior angle. And we know that two of the angles are 47 and 58. So therefore, we can find out that last angle by setting up an equation where 47 plus 58 plus x, all of these should equal 180 degrees. Then we have 47 plus 58, which is 105, plus x equals 180. Subtract 105 from both sides, 105 from both sides. And we find out that x is 75. So this angle right here is 75 degrees. Here we have three interior angles inside this triangle. And so we can create another equation where x plus 96 plus 21, all of that should add up to 180 degrees because all three angles have to add up to 180 degrees according to the triangle sum theorem. 96 plus 21 gets us 117. X plus 117 equals 180. We are going to subtract 117 from both sides. And we find out that x is 63. Oops, 63. There we go. So this angle right here is 63 degrees. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found is that the n equals 34. So this angle is 34 degrees because both of these two angles add up to 146. 180 minus 46 is 34. Here we're not asked to find this angle, but we're asked to find the value of x. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. The equation that you could set up was x plus 53, which is the first angle right here, plus 70, which is the next angle, plus 65, which is the next angle, equals 180. The 53, 70, and 65 add to 188. Subtract 180 from both sides, we find that x equals negative 8. Here we have two interior angles to the triangle, and we're not asked to find the third interior angle, but we're asked to find this last exterior angle. This is called an exterior angle. Now, what we can do is we can find this angle right here first, this interior angle right there. And we know that 40 plus 90 is 130, so x plus 130 should equal 180. We find that x, once we subtract 130 from both sides, x equals 50. So we know now that this angle is 50 degrees. This exterior angle, this y, notice how it is a straight line right here. So therefore these two angles combine to get to 180 degrees. Since these two angles combined get 180 degrees, that means they are supplementary angles. So therefore 50 plus y equals 180, and therefore if we do y plus 50 equals 180 and subtract 50 from both sides, we find that y equals 130 degrees. Okay, so this exterior angle is 130 degrees. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. Find both A and B. For part A, find the interior angle A. what you should have found is that A equals 42 because the other two angles add up to 138. 180 minus 38 is 42. And therefore, you should have found that this exterior angle, this is called an exterior angle. Let's write that down. Exterior. Because it's not inside the triangle. Exterior angle is 138 because 180 minus 42 gets us 138. Notice that the exterior angle is the sum of the two interior angles that we know. Right here. 120 plus 118 is 138. The same thing happened over here. The exterior angle right here, add up to 130. That's because we know that all the interior angles have to add up 180, and then these two angles have to add up to 180, right? So both of those have to add up to 180. So therefore, 18 plus 120 plus A is going to equal A plus B. As a result, if we go down that logic a little further, if we can subtract A from both sides, we get B equals 18 plus 120. So therefore, the exterior angle is going to always equal the two known interior angles. That's a very important idea. Okay. Make sure you have that in your notes, and we'll talk to you guys soon.